Hello everyone, I want to welcome you back again to another new session. Remember we are talking about structural sentences, and as we mentioned that structural sentences is grouped into three, that is simple sentences, coordinate sentences, and complex sentences. In our previous lesson, we talked about coordinate sentence, and I did mention that in coordinate sentence, two or more sentences are joined together to form a single sentence. And we gave different examples. We said, for example, like Mary is coming and Mary is sick. Those are two sentences that when you join using conjunctions, you come to Mary is coming although she is sick. Now, when you look at those two sentences, they have one thing in common. They have some similarities, that they are both talking about Mary. So the status are equal. So in other words, when it comes now to complex sentences, unlike in coordinate sentences where it contains equal status, in complex sentence we have an equal status. So this is a sentence containing an equal status whereby one sentence is embedded in another sentence. One sentence is inserted in another sentence, meaning one of the sentence will consume another sentence. Of course, just like in coordinate sentences, complex sentences also have more than two sentences. But remember, one of the sentences must be inserted in one of the sentence. So meaning one of the sentence will remain and another sentence will disappear because it will have been inserted in another sentence. Can we take an example so that we understand this in a better way? One of the sentence is Khadijah washed the dishes. Khadijah washed the dishes. Again, Khadijah washed the dishes. That is one of the sentence. Another sentence, Abdullah said that Khadijah washed the dishes. Now, Abdullah is reporting that Khadijah washed the dishes. Now, these sentences, when joined together, of course, they are comprising of different or unequal status. Because one is talking about Khadijah washing the dishes, and another one is talking about someone reporting an activity that took place. So we will say in English as one sentence, we will say Abdullah said that Khadijah washed the dishes. That's in English. We go. Abdullah said that again. Abdullah said that Khadijah washed the dishes. The word Abdullah is a noun taking the position of the subject. The word said is, of course, the main verb in the past form. Khadijah is the noun taking the position of the subject. Washed is the main verb in the past form, and dishes is taking the position of the object. Therefore, this sentence will appear in this form. We'll start with the word past. Past, Abdullah say. Again, past, Abdullah say. Dish, Khadijah wash. Past, because the whole sentence is in the past form, so we start with the word past. So past, Abdullah say. Dish, Khadijah wash. In sign language, this is how we will sign. Past, Abdullah Abdullah say dish, dish. Khadijah wash. That is it. That's how we put it in sign language. Can we start again slowly so that the people can get it? We are signing this. Past, Abdullah say dish, dish, Khadijah wash. We try. That is it. Past, Abdullah say dish, dish, Khadijah wash. That's in sign language. The next one, Caleb watched the TV. Susan said that Caleb watched the TV. So those are two sentences. The first sentence, Caleb watched the TV. Another sentence, Susan said that Caleb watched the TV. So one of the first sentence, of course, will be inserted in the last sentence so that we have only one sentence. So the sentence will go like this. Susan said that Caleb watched the TV. So in sign language will be past. Susan say Caleb TV watch. In signs will be like this. We try together. Past, Susan say Caleb TV watch. We go. We go. Past, Susan. Again, past. Can you try again? Past, Susan say TV Caleb watch. Again. Past, Susan say TV Caleb watch. We go. Past, Susan say TV Caleb. He watched like that. So that sentence, as I've said, Susan said that Caleb watched the TV. In sign language, past, Susan say TV Caleb watch. So that's how it's signed in. It's put in sign language. Now, there's something I want us to note as far as complex sentence is concerned. I have said that unlike in coordinate sentences where it contains classes of equal status, in a complex sentence, the classes contain an equal status, whereby one sentence is embedded in another sentence. Something very important that you have to know. When it comes to a complex sentence, it's of course in a reported form. It's a reported speech, whereby we have two sections. However, in the sign language, the reported part is independent. The reported part is independent. What do I mean by this? In this sentence, Susan said that Caleb watched the TV. The word Caleb watched the TV is the last section of that sentence which is being reported by Susan. So that's the last part of that section. So this last part alone should be treated as a sentence, whereby Caleb watched the TV in sign language will be TV Caleb watch. And the first part of this sentence, Susan said that will be in sign language. Past, Susan say. So we are going to join those two sentences. Past, Susan said what? Past, Susan said. She said what? What did Susan say? Past, Susan say TV Caleb watch. So the best way of getting this sentence is separating the two sentences and treating them differently, so that at the end you come up with a meaningful sentence in sign language. See you in the next lesson.